Hi, welcome to Chad Her YouTube channel. Today I have for you a propane-powered insect fogger. I bought this fogger from Tractor Supply Store. This Black Flag propane insect fogger is used to kill mosquitoes and other biting flies. The ergonomic design helps you transport the insecticide around your lawn and access the difficult areas the pests have infested. This fogger was on sale for $44. Let's open it and test to see how it's perform. First, let's open up and see what's included inside the box. The box looks big, but it's very light actually. From the look of it, looks like it's made out of plastic and aluminum. Let's find out. It's very lightweight, as I said. The body is made out of plastic for sure. The fogger nozzle is made out some kind of lightweight metal material. This is where you attach a 1-pound propane cylinder gas bottle onto. It is recommended to use a brand new propane bottle and not a refill bottle for it to work properly. The silver metal you see here is a mesh burner cover house with a coil rod inside, supposedly to heat up when turned on with a 1-pound propane cylinder bottle. The Black Flag fogger can go with you anywhere and is compatible with either a 14.1-ounce tall style or 16.4-ounce short style propane cylinder, sold separately. Looks like it only comes with the fogger and nothing else besides the owner's manual. No fogging insecticides either. Be sure to use only Black Flag, Cutter or Repel branded fogging insecticides liquids. The insecticides is ready to use. No mixing necessary. Now let's fill this fogger with a Black Flag insecticides chemical. This bottle cost about $18.99 at Tractor Supply Store. You can probably find cheaper shopping online. Again, it's ready to use. No mixing necessary. No offensive odor. It dissipates in minutes. 1 quart of product to treat half acre. There is no indication to how much you should fill to, so I just top it off. But do not overfill it. You can fill it right below the black spout. That should be fine. Now let's install the propane bottle. First, I test it with a refill bottle, and it didn't work that well. The refill was transfer from butane bottles. Maybe the butane gas are not compatible with this fogger. To start the fogger, turn the knob to the plus sign. It will release the gas, then simply push the igniter button right next to the knob. When you first use the fogger, you may need to push the igniter several times to work. Also, be sure to use a fresh new propane gas bottle and not a refill like I did here. After I replace with a new factory-filled propane bottle, it works right away. It is best to ignite the fogger under a shaded area so you can see the flames better. That way you don't keep pushing the igniter because it's hard to see under a bright sunlight. Once it starts, let it sit for 2 minutes for the fogger to boil the insecticide's chemicals. After 2 minutes, you will start to see smoke coming out of the fogger nozzle. Be sure to point the fogger away from people, pets, and food, as it will spitting out liquids as it starts to boil. Now let's see it perform in actions. The smoke comes out in intervals, so pressing or press holding, it won't work as you may think. The fogger needs time to heat the chemical after each press, so you won't get a steady spray of smokes. The negative thing about this fogger is that after each trigger press, there is a delay before the smoke comes out again. Other than that, it works fine. Be sure to cover or remove any open food in the area before using the fogger. If you are having a party outdoor, use the fogger 30 minutes before guests start coming over. One fill can treat an average 5,000 square foot yard in less than 10 minutes. Thoroughly fog shrubs, ground covers, and dense foliage where mosquitoes rest. Tip: fog at dusk. before the mosquitoes emerge from their hiding places. Keep the breeze at your back, the fogger level, and stand 5 feet away from where you are treating. Squeeze the trigger slowly and steadily, every 3 to 4 seconds. Each pump will release a cloud of fog. Let it drift into the desired location amongst deep foliage, landscaped areas, or deeply wooded areas where mosquitoes like to hide. After the fog dissipates, typically less than 5 minutes, people and pets can safely enter the treated area. That's it. Hope you enjoy watching this video, and thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Until next time, have fun fogging.